Now, shore power is a complex matter. A lot of things, need to be resolved, but it is happening in other parts of the world. When ships come to ports, they turn off their main engines, but they still run their auxiliary engines to support the operations of the ship in the port. They burn fuel in those engines, and therefore there are emissions, carbon emissions and noise. If we can connect these ships to the electricity grid, onshore power, then we can eliminate those emissions. So we brought the people in Australia, the busy port managers, together to discuss what's happening in the area of shore power.
So we've seen people come from ports, shipping lines, but also the technology providers and financiers. So it's been a really exciting 2 days. We've answered a lot of questions, but we've also discovered a whole heap more questions that need to be answered.
We considered, the energy supply, the renewables that are needed to support it. We considered operational and contractual frameworks that need to be put in place, as well as the technology that needs to be installed for high voltage transmission as well as cable management systems.
We've seen some really fantastic examples of where it has been successful in Europe over the last couple of days. And we've got some ports in Australia who already have looked at those feasibility studies and are starting to commence bringing shore power into their operations.
So the PIANC Shore Power Workshop has been fantastic. We really enjoyed attending and being the first port in Australia to introduce shore power connection for cruise and the first bulk precinct in the Southern Hemisphere. Port Authority of New South Wales is really leading the way, and we are very excited to be in a space over the last couple of days with a lot of different players in the industry. Workshops like this really allow that knowledge sharing to come out and really allow us to tackle those issues together and talk about them. So very, very beneficial, and we're very pleased to be here.
If you want to know more about shore power, then head to our website, pianc.org.au, and we will make all of that information available to you.